Hey guys, sorry I had to interrupt this video just for a quick brief announcement. I just received, I can't say I just been, it's been a couple of weeks now that I received a couple of stickers from YouTuber Tucker and I out and about. And I got a lovely letter as well. If you don't know about Tucker and I, I'll leave a link in the description and I'll see if I can link a card here. But Tucker and I is another kind of outdoors bushcrafty channel, local here in Newfoundland. I think he's more in Central. Tucker is a fantastic character, spends a lot of time outdoors, loves a good snack outdoors, loves a boil up, he's got a hot tent, and he just loves a good adventure outdoors. Gary is Tucker's driver that drives Tucker around a little bit. And I think Gary does the video editing behind the scenes. But really, Tucker is the guy to watch out for. So, like I said, if you're not familiar with Tucker and I, I'll leave a link in the description. Pop over and check out Tucker and I on YouTube. And please like, subscribe, and share all of Tucker and I's videos. Like I said, Tucker is just is an absolute gem of a character. Thanks, guys. So this is a 2-ply reverse duct tape cordage. So I've taken a piece of 2-inch duct tape, I folded it in half, and then cut that into half. So now I'm going to take the bottom strand and I'm twisting it away from me, and then twisting both towards me. Take the bottom strand, twist away from me, and then both towards me. Bottom strand, twisted away from me, both towards me.
And what's the plan for this cordage?
Once you have cordage, then it's good for all kinds of things, but my thought is, can we use it as a bowstring for a bow drill set? That's the question. I guess if I were in a pinch and I needed a bowstring, I'd probably take my shoelace first.
But if you didn't have shoes?
If you've lost your shoes in the woods, then you're... Maybe I'm wearing my mucks. Maybe I got my rubber boots on.
There you go. This is Newfoundland after all.
But this is why it's so important that you carry cordage as one of your 5 C's, so you don't have to resort to making it. Right now my carpal tunnel's killing me.
But did you die?
I did not yet. The other thing is really important is to make sure that as you're twisting your cordage, the length is decreasing. So you want to make sure that you start out with strands that are much longer, significantly longer than your final, what you want as the final piece.
Because it would suck to get close to the end and realize you don't have.
So I think I want about 6 feet of cordage. So I think I started off with about 9 feet of flat tape.
Good tip.
Sorry I had to interrupt this video again. Just a reminder that the contest dates, closing dates for the MFS Baits Midsummer Contest giveaway, the closing dates are quickly approaching towards the end of May. So if you haven't commented on all of the videos, please make sure you go check out the YouTube playlist that I'll leave here on the cards, and I'll also leave a link in the description. If you watch our video, then you'll get a chance to win in the MFS Baits Grand Prize. And then if you check out all the other videos and leave comments on those, then you'll get even more chances to win. So it's a great grand prize. Like I said, it's from MFS Baits, so it'll be mostly fishing apparel. But I know some of the other YouTubers, including us, have entered some other things to kind of sweeten the pot. So make sure you leave a comment on all of those videos. Thanks, guys.
Job well done.